I have the room all to myself, I can spread out. And there is no need to worry about cleaning up the mess. I should decorate with more of my favorite things. Toy store, here I come. To find the limited edition Space Crafters action figures. Wait, where are they? I don't see them on the shelves. Could they be sold out? Do you have any more limited edition Space Crafter action figures? Everyone has been buying those like crazy, but I might have one more in the back. Okay, thanks. Sophie, I thought that was you. I could hear your voice a mile away. Hey, Carmen. Here is the last one. But I gotta warn you, it's been returned 5 times for mysterious reasons. I'll take it. This is so cool. Sophie, shouldn't we listen to the warning? Carmen, toys always have warnings for ages 3 and up, not real food. This is no different. Why do I have a feeling that it's not? Now, where should we display it? I'll just set it here while I clean off some space. Wow, you have the room all to yourself? Pretty much. I thought Chloe and I could use a little space.
Space transfer activated.
Oh no, your toy thought you were talking to it. I know. It's like glowing or something. This can't be good. Why am I always getting pulled into portals?
Captain, it's the hamsters. Again.
Not again. I know what they want. The red sphere.
That's right! Surrender your red sphere and prepare to be boarded.
We will never give up. Never surrender.
Captain, the sensors are reading a spatial disturbance.
Must be the hamsters. Intruder alert! Raise the shields.
Captain, it's too late. Uh-oh.
You are not hamsters. Who are you?
I know who you are. You are the captain from the original Space Crafters. And this is the original ship. Wait a minute, Sophie. Space Crafters, as in that movie you like to watch? Yes, Carmen. Where in the movie? Can we get a selfie? I'm a total fan.
Security, get this girl to the brig.
What? You can't send me to the brig! I collect all your action figures!
Come along, ladies.
Captain, it's the hamsters again.
I see you chose not to cooperate. Now you must suffer the consequences. I am taking your ship.
Raise the shields.
It is too late. My people boarded your ship when you were distracted by the spatial disturbance.
Do you think we'll find any red gumballs? Boss told us to call it the red sphere. He said it sounds more official. Oh yeah, right.
As we speak, my most skilled operatives are disabling your shields.
Intruder alert! All hands to battle stations.
Sophie, what is going on? Carmen, this must be the part in the movie where the space hamsters invade.
Do you think you girls can lock yourselves up in the brig? I gotta go.
No problem. We know just what to do. Go and find ourselves some uniforms so we can blend in. Wait, Sophie, he said we had to go to the brig. We are in Space Crafters, my favorite movie. Do you think I'm gonna waste time sitting in the brig when I can be the hero? What are you wearing? I look fabulous, don't I? Carmen, we're in outer space, not serving pretzels in first class. Come on.
We need some ideas. Anyone?
Don't worry, Captain. I got this. Just gotta do a little math and science stuff right here. Chloe is a little better at this stuff than I am, but hey, this is science fiction. Nobody's checking my work. Just gotta input the calculations to alter the deflector array. And voila! The ship is saved. Or not. The hamsters have taken our ship.
What should we do?
I guess my calculations were off a little. You think? Really? Alien dinosaurs? Why do you like this movie? Well, the action's pretty cool. Run! Okay, action is overrated. Oh boy, I can't run anymore. I know, we've been running for hours. And it feels like we've just been going in circles. Watch this. See? We are running in circles. Oh, I wish Chloe was here. She would know what to do. And I'm very surprised that my vast knowledge of the Spacecrafter series is not helping.
That's because when you entered the movie, you changed the sequence of events.
Chloe, how did you know I was here?
I saw the Spacecrafters action figure on your bed. I bought it for you a few months ago. And this happened. So I returned it to the store.
The lady at the store did say it was returned a lot. So do you have any idea how to get off this planet and back onto the ship?
We're still on the ship. This is one of those hologram rooms.
Oh no, it's the alien dinosaur! Sophie, are you using me as a shield?
Chloe, do something! All I have to do is access this control panel right here to turn that alien dinosaur into a rainbow unicorn.
So cool. Now Chloe, use that access panel to open a door so we can take back the ship.
Where is the red sphere? I don't know. Is this it? No, it's not even a sphere. It's not even red.
Is this what you're looking for?
The red sphere. Give it to me.
Chloe, activate the transporter.
Don't think you have seen the last of me. Can somebody get me a glass of water?
Chloe, I know that sci-fi is not your thing. So how did you know about the control panel and the hologram?
Sophie, we've been sharing a room since we were babies. And I've had to watch Spacecrafters with you about 1 million times.
That just proves that we should never be apart.
Sophie, I actually like my new room. And I can't breathe.
What? You don't want to move back into our room?
Sophie, we'll always be sisters. And you can call me whenever you need.
But it won't be the same.
I'll tell you what. When we get home, we can have a Spacecrafters marathon.
All 9 movies?
Including the special features.
I hate to break up a beautiful moment, but can we get out of here?
We want to give a shout out to Lisa the Barbie. What's up?
Chloe, since you don't want to come back to our room, I'm moving in with you. Where should I put my stuff?
Wait, what?